Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall discuss about recurrent tendency of cold and cough. I receive many complaints from patients like they are worried about their kids who get recurrent cold and cough. They fall ill frequently. Homeopathic treatment has a very good scope in treating such patients. Whether be kid or adult, homeopathic really heals from inside. It gives a permanent cure by boosting the immunity and making the child resist against the diseases. Homeopathic Healing Center will gives a complete permanent cure to the patient. In such cases, we do analyze the case. Complete case history is taken along with the proper cure in it. We look into it so that the patient is either allergic to something, dust, mite, or anything which the patient is allergic and might not be aware of. Homeopathic plays a very important role in such cases. Along with homeopathic treatment, we do prescribe some home remedies to the kids. Like having warm water with honey and little turmeric really helps. Similarly, steam inhalation with ajwain helps clearing chest congestion. All these small things we are aware of, but we don't put it into day-to-day practice. Hence, I would conclude this by saying that homeopathy really helps. The tendency to fall ill reduces gradually over a period of time. Children who are not able to enjoy eating cold stuff, seeing other kids, over a period of time, they start eating cold things and they do not fall ill, as per my observations. Thank you very much for watching my channel and please do like and subscribe it. Thank you.